is broken. I must have done something wrong, and when I speak I feel like choking. It must have been all my fault. I love him more than I love myself. I'll endure what he gives me. Nothing can change my mind. Nothing I'll sacrifice. You've got such a violent taste now. Is that what it takes to turn you on? You want me to pour my veins out? Is that what it takes to be your crush? I'll keep a compliant face now. You know I hate to make you stop. I'll be so silent, stay down. If that's what it takes to be what you want.